Could the garments of the future be constructed not by the hands of skilled artisans, but by the precise movements of a machine? Imagine a world where your wardrobe is not limited by the offerings of a storefront, but by the boundless creativity of the digital world. Welcome to the revolutionary future of 3D printed clothing. Let's embark on a journey through time, tracing the evolution of 3D printing technology. In the late 1980s, the seeds of this innovation were planted with the development of stereolithography. This process used lasers to solidify liquid plastic layer by layer into three-dimensional objects. Then, in the mid-90s, selective laser sintering technology emerged, enabling the creation of complex shapes and structures. As the millennium turned, we saw the birth of fused deposition modeling, a method that heats and extrudes a thin filament of plastic to form objects layer by layer. Fast forward to the first decade of the 21st century, and the 3D printing technology had evolved to such a degree that it was no longer confined to industrial applications. The era of consumer 3D printing had dawned. By 2014, 3D printing had made its way into households, though it was still a novelty for many. But the future holds even more promise. Experts predict that by 2024, 3D printing will be over 30 times faster than it was just a decade prior. This leap in speed and efficiency could transform 3D printing from a fascinating hobby into a mainstream consumer technology. Imagine the potential. Your favorite shirt, worn and faded, could be scanned, digitized, and reprinted good as new. The latest runway trends could be downloaded and printed right in your home. The possibilities are as vast as the internet itself, with millions of open-source designs available for download. And the implications extend far beyond the world of fashion. This technology could herald the decline of sweatshops in developing countries, rendering low-paid factory jobs obsolete. While this transition would undoubtedly pose challenges, it could also create opportunities for new, more equitable models of production and consumption. But what does this mean for you? How will 3D printing change the way you dress, the way you shop, the way you express your personal style? It's time to start asking these questions and exploring the potential of 3D printing. The future of fashion is not just about what you wear, but how it's made. So why not dive into this exciting world of 3D printing? After all, the fashion of the future is being written by the printers of today.